Hi guys, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name's Arietta and today I'm so excited to show you the package that arrived today from Diamond Art Club. So this is a round canvas and oh my goodness, it is Jasmine, Becket-Griffiths, Alice in the Starry Night. I can't wait, let's get into it. So, shrink wrap off, toolkit, canvas, okay, that's everything. Okay, so, quickly show you the toolkit in case you've not seen a Diamond Art Club toolkit before. So, they're really nice toolkits. You get a clear boat, 2 plates of red wax, heart-shaped, really cute. You get a 4-placer, oh, and a single placer. Blue squishy to save your fingers. And a ton of baggies for kitting up, putting spares in, doing whatever. Okay, so they give you this small sticker. Oh, why aren't we focusing? Okay, a bit odd. So they give you a small sticker which you can place on your box for storing so that you can see what's in there. Alternatively, you can place it inside a logbook if you've got one and you want to keep track of what paintings you've got. You can add the picture to the logbook so that you can see which paintings you're referring to. You also get this lovely big sticker, which is this way around. Gorgeous, lovely, pretty high quality copy of the print that again you can stick it anywhere you like. It has got information about start and end dates and the details about the canvas if you want to put this in a logbook or a diary. And then additionally we've got these stickers here which you can use for labelling up your containers or baggies, however you're going to work. And these are all pre-cut, so you can see that you can peel them off and stick them straight on, which is lovely. Saves a lot of time and trouble chopping up little stickers. So let's see the canvas. This is a great size. I'm really excited to work on it. So it's long and thin, which is one of my favourite sort of sizes to work on. So, oh, I see an eye. There's no way I'm going to be able to get this all in one go. So we'll do it a bit at a time. So we've got Alice. Those big eyes. And then we've got her wavy hair squiggling out until it joins in with the Van Gogh Starry Night. This is so cool, I love it. I'll put a picture here so you can see the whole thing in a single shot, but look at that, it's just gorgeous. And it's a great size. So yeah, she is 81 by 41, and that is the printed area of the canvas. That's not the physical size of the canvas. So for those of you that work in inches, that's 32 by 16. Really, really lovely. a lot of colours. So she's got 58 colours. And we get a legend on both sides. She's got 3 ABs, I think. Let's have a look. 129, 137 and 141. So that is 1, 2 and 3 on the canvas. Let's bring you in and we will have a little look for the sparkly sparklies. Are you going to focus? I think it's too sparkly. My camera is struggling to focus on it. Because, I mean, you can see the sparkle that's in this canvas is absolutely stunning. Really, really lovely. So let's go in and have a little look. We've got some number 2s and 3s in her eye, which is going to be a blue and a white AB. We've got 3s in her hair. It's going to be a so 3 is the white, just highlighting the edge of her hair. 1 is a pale yellow, and again that comes in where the light hits her hair. You can see lots and lots of that here. There's a fair amount of colour blocking, which should make this really fun to work on, because you're going to see progress pretty quickly. Yeah, I'm loving this. It's so pretty. Again, when we get over to the moon in the sky, we've got ABs in there. There's going to be lots and lots of different colours, and then down here we've got the I assume that's 310. Yeah, it is. So all the black, that's going to help to outline the little town that's down here. Let's have a look at the drills and we can see exactly how sparkly these ABs are. Right, move you out a little bit. Okay, so, oh, I've spotted one already. That's exciting. That one right there. Okay, so I'm going to open this up. It will be crinkly. Mute your sound. I'll let you know when I'm done. So that is quite a chunk of colours. Let us go through them. So obviously anyone that's familiar with the Starry Night picture will recognise that this is going to have lots of blues and yellows in it. So this is our first AB. It is a lovely bright blue with that Aurora Borealis coating that shines all those different colours. We've got, this is probably going to go into Alice's face, got some flesh tones, browns, lovely bright yellow. Then we get into our blues. That is 939, oh no, 823. So it's dark blue, fawn colours, chocolate brown, that's 939. And then only one bag of 310. Brilliant. 3371. So we've got a lot of dark colours, but not black. Not a lot of black. So that's, I almost thought that was an AB then. Absolutely gorgeous. Really sparkly. Okay, that's our first strip of colours. So these are smaller bags now, so these are going to be our little pops of colour, things like her lips, sparkles in her eyes, details in the town. And it's these sort of things that will really bring the canvas to life. Lovely. There's a lot more bright colours than I was expecting. Obviously they are only going to be little pops of colour, but I think it's going to be absolutely beautiful. Right, let's see if we can find the rest of these ABs then. Some baby blue, some lemon yellow. Oh, I love that shade of blue, that's gorgeous. That is 3760. More blues and browns and blues and browns. Lovely sort of duck egg blue there. Aha, right. So this is number 3 of our AB. So this is essentially white with the sparkly AB coating. This always makes me think of sort of morning snow, all twinkly. And then we've got the pale yellow with an AB coating that's going to go into a bit of her hair and into some of those yellow swirly stars. So lovely colours, a huge selection, much more than I think I had expected, and I'm really excited to work on this one. I haven't worked on any pictures that are this way round yet, so it will be a nice interesting change. It's smaller than the Adventure Time canvas was that I worked on, but similar in terms of its width. So I'm very excited to work on this. Let me just give you some information about it so that you have details should you wish to get your own copy. So currently on the website it is out of stock. But you can sign up for emails so that they'll let you know when it's back in. It was £45 when I purchased it, and I was able to get free shipping because I was purchasing a couple of canvases at once. And as I'm sure people have seen, if you spend more than about £65, then you're going to get free shipping, although you will pay tax on everything, as is standard now for the UK, because it is shipping from America. That is something to know, is that it does ship from the US This isn't a company that ships from China. Everything is in their warehouse in the US. Well, of course, once I start working on this, I'll post some updates. You can always find out what I'm currently working on by following me on Instagram at thecraftywitchuk, or I've got a Facebook page as well, so you can find me there. I would love to see you. So that's all from me for today. Please do consider sharing this video, liking this video, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you guys in the next one.